Yes, thanks for stopping by. I'm going to show you guys today this cool add-on in Blender. It's called Buildify. And basically what it allows you to do is to build homes. First, let me go through the installation program with you. What you're going to want to do is come over to Pavel Oliver Gumroad. I'll leave the link in description. I'll leave the Gumroad link in description. And then you're just going to scroll down and you're going to see the Buildify Desert Kit, and you have the regular Buildify. Regular Buildify is, as you can see, $0, but this one is $1. So just be careful. I would say get this while it's still zero. Stylized material, water material. Oh, I'm about to get this. Add to cart. You must input the amount over here, okay? Zero, put in a zero, add to cart, download. All right, so basically after you download it, right? File, open, don't save, obviously, unless you save it if you were doing something, but if you're not saving it, don't worry about it. Now here's Buildify Blend in the downloads, right? Open that, and here you go. The nodes are already set up for you here. You don't have to do anything else. So we're gonna go to layout. When you go to N, so many different things here. All right, so when you're in Buildify, have this click, push, and we don't need that. Let's bring this over. So over here, you can change your floors. See that? So yep, this is pretty good. Let's right click, copy objects. So we got two of the buildings now. Easy money. Let's go to edit. We can make this one building glow. I mean, you can get textures and add them in there, but I'm just gonna go to can't see nothing now. That's because see, it's kind of looking like that. But yeah, this is pretty much how you play around with Buildify. Obviously you can do other stuff with it, but there it is. Image it, buildings. That's how you generate buildings in Buildify.